In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Acrobat for eSignature agreements. If you need to get a contract, form, or approval signed without printing, this walkthrough will show you the exact flow in Acrobat Sign from upload to send so your recipient can sign right from their inbox. Start by going to adobe.com and signing into your Adobe account. Once you're on the Home or Tools page, open Acrobat Sign. On the dashboard, look for the option labeled Send for Signature or Request eSignatures. They refer to the same action. Click it to begin. Next, upload the file you want signed. You can use a PDF, a Word document, or other common formats. Choose the final version of your document and check that the pages look correct before you continue. Acrobat will load a preview so you can set up who needs to sign and where. Add your recipients. Type the signer's email address carefully so the invitation reaches the right person. If more than one person needs to sign, set the signing order to control who receives the document first. Sequential order sends it one after another. Parallel order lets everyone sign at the same time. When the list looks right, select Next. You'll now place the fields the signer will complete. Use the tools on the right to drag in a signature field, a date field, a name field, as well as text fields and checkboxes for any extra information you need. Drop each field exactly where it belongs on the page, lining it up with the appropriate lines or sections. Resize fields as needed for readability and keep the layout clear so it's obvious what to fill in. Take a moment to scan each page and confirm every required spot has a field. When everything is in place, prepare your send-off. You can include a short custom message to explain the purpose of the document or provide simple instructions. This helps the signer understand what they're receiving and how quickly they should act. When you're ready, click Send. The signer will get an email from Acrobat Sign. They'll open the link, review the document, add their signature and any other requested details, and complete the process in their browser. You'll be notified when it's done, and the finished agreement will be available to view and download. That's the complete process for sending an eSignature agreement with Adobe Acrobat. Follow these steps each time to keep your approvals fast, consistent, and secure.